So these are also some of the considerations that you need to have. So when you get a client, you need to know what is the family size. If it's a 2 BHK, you need to know how many people are going to stay in 2 BHK in that particular house. Okay, and their budget, of course, and their cultural and religious practices. So do they need any space for prayer or puja? You need to know that. And then what is their idea of family time? So some people might want to gather and have lunch together or have coffee together. Some family might want to sit together and watch movies. So you need to know that. What is their social habits? Like, do they have people at home? So some people might want to have, bar units at home. I think that is very common in North India. I think South India is also like, it's becoming that way. A lot of people want to have bar units at home. Okay. And then this is one important question that you need to ask. So if it's a new project, if they are shifting their houses, you need to know if they are retaining their furnitures or they are buying new furnitures. This is very important. Okay. And their hobbies, as I told you. You guys have any doubts? No doubts? Fine. So now I'll be dividing you guys into groups. Okay. So you will be like two people in a breakout room. So one of you will be the client and one of you will be the designer first. Okay, so basically you need to get, the designer needs to get the requirements from the client, and then after that you can change your roles. You got it? Say for example, myself and Madhuri are in a breakout room. First, I can ask Madhuri, like she can be the client and I can be the designer. Okay, I will ask Madhuri, what is your requirement? And then after my requirement is done, she can be my designer and I can be the client. Okay, for this space, this is the space that you will be designing. So please make note of this space. So you guys have heard about studio apartment? Studio apartment? No?
Living and dining is in combined area.
Sorry? Yeah. Basically, it's like an open concept. There will be no wall. Okay. So this is the toilet. I will tell the measurement for this one. This is 10 feet. Is it clear, guys? Sorry. And this is 8 feet 6 inches. This is 4 feet and this is 5 feet. And this is an extended veranda or something. 5 feet. Okay, so this will be 9, right? Almost 9 feet 6. Okay, any other doubts? Okay, here, this is the main door. I don't want you to change the position of the door. This is the window, French window. You guys know what is a French window? Anyone?
Height of the window is
No.
at lintel level. 7 feet high.
Casement or shutter window, ma'am? Casement.
What?
Casement. Casement. CASEMENT.
Casement. Okay. Okay.
Casement.
Okay. Casement window.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Basically, French window is the window starts from the ground level itself and it goes till the lintel level. basically you could say 7 feet or 7.5 feet height
It's like
from
a
the ground
door,
level.
sliding door.
You can open it also, or you can just keep it like a window. Your
Okay.
wish. Okay. You want, you
But you
can.
told starts from the flooring. No, ma'am. That's why I asked. It's a sliding
No.
door.
No. Not, what I have given is, this is not a sliding door. This is just a window. But if you want to
Yes.
convert it into a sliding window, you can. According to your design, you can change. But you can't change the position of the window here. If you want, you can add windows. And remember, this will not happen in your site. Here to improve your creativity, I am asking you to add windows. You can make this like an open concept also. Like, for example, you can open out this toilet and you can make this like an open shower unit or something. Your wish. Totally your wish. Okay. Actually, not your wish, your client's wish. Okay, so now this is the plan. I can take a picture of this and I will send it in the group. I want you to discuss with each other. Okay.